Alright guys, well, it's a little bit after 6 a.m. Monday, and got out a little bit late. We were on the way to JST's. I did want to leave around 5, but I couldn't sleep for shit last night. Went to sleep around 3:30, so if there's no further updates, it's because I fell asleep driving and died, but hopefully that doesn't happen. We're pretty much packed up, ready to go here, and I'll probably get back with you guys as soon as we get out there. We have about 9 hours of driving ahead of us, so it should be a nice long day of self-reflection. We'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, we are halfway to JST's place. Absolutely killing it right now. Check this out. 27.3 miles per gallon for the first half of the trip. We've gone 270 miles and got about 300 more to go. But that's Chevy right there, baby. That's why I got the Silverado. So that's pretty, it's honestly pretty crazy. But yeah, so truck is all packed. Got the riding gear back there, my laptop, all my stuff for the week. Got some fresh shirts in that box right there. And of course the 250R is in the back. So we are getting ready for the second half of the trip. I should be there by, I guess, like 4 o'clock. I'll show you guys back of the truck real quick. There she is, all nice and tight so no moisture gets in there. Got the race fuel back here. Got my camera stuff in here. Riding boots, helmet. Parts for the 250R are in the bin. That's pretty much it. So I'll see you guys later. Holy shit. So I am just getting to Ohio now. And I just got passed by, I don't know, like 50 or 60 police cruisers. And I'm pretty sure the presidential debate is in Ohio tomorrow. So I'm thinking it had something to do with that. But it was crazy. I mean, there were like literally, there were at least 50 or 60 cruisers. I mean, and I was like in the middle of it. They were getting off of exits, and they were behind me. There were cops in front of me. There were cops on both sides of me. I couldn't even, I just kept driving. So, I mean, I wasn't really sure what to do. By the way, it is absolutely beautiful, guys. It is 77 degrees out right now. I've been driving with the windows down, and pretty awesome. So I will be getting to JST's, and GPS says 3.5 hours. We got 233 miles to go. By the time I upload this, I might already be there because I would want to stop before I do that. But I'll see you when I get there, guys. Well, we are, I think we're in it for the long haul with this one. It's been, I don't know, 20 or 30 minutes now, and it hasn't moved an inch. So, I just made a new friend right here, and he was talking to one of the guys on their CB radio in one of these trucks. Apparently, there was like somebody attempted to kill a cop or something, and there's a high-speed chase, and that's what was going on. They were chasing after that guy, and apparently, I think it's right around the bend up here. I was looking on my GPS. Oh, well, it's gone now. But the red line just goes right up around the bend, so I think they caught the guy like right up there. What's your name, dude?
Marshall Stillwell.
Marshall, I'm Mike. It's good to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
So this is what we do, and we're stuck in traffic. It's got a DJI Mavic 2. It's like a really good drone. There's a helicopter flying around right now. So I think we're gonna try to intercept it. You really can't hear it either, like from here.
There.
Oh, wow.
I'm recording us.
That's awesome.
What's the price on this?
About $1,100.
I'm sold.
I am too.
I think I need it.
About a half hour.
He said it'll go 11 miles. It'll go up to 11 miles away, he said.
It's about $1,100 with an SD card. It comes with 3 batteries. Each battery is about a half hour.
Okay.
You can get a lot of footage in a half hour.
Does this have the chase mode too, where you put the thing in your pocket?
I don't know.
I think it does.
There's a whole lot of functions that this has that I haven't that I haven't messed with because the instructions are 10 pages long.
I believe it. Yeah.
That it tells you to learn to fly the thing on a YouTube channel. That's it.
It was nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you, buddy.
Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
Take it easy.
Yep.
All right, man. Well, that was cool. I'll tell you what, you never know where you're going to meet cool people. Those people were really cool. They were literally just parked up right next to me, stuck in traffic with me, and he had a drone in the back, so he was kind of playing around with that, and he was cool with me filming it, so that was pretty awesome. So that set us back about, according to the GPS, like 50 minutes, so almost an hour. But we are motoring now. I mean, there's like no traffic at all now that we got through that, so it wasn't too bad. So we are getting close to, well, sort of close anyways, but got about 3 hours now. So relatively speaking, we're getting close. Next stop, hopefully Justin's and not another freaking roadblock. All right, guys, I just got a great call from JST. He said the cylinder is done. The sleeve is pressed in place. It has been bored to the piston, and he said the tolerances are perfect. He said everything is super tight, the bore is perfectly straight, and the ports are almost perfectly matched. So we'll just have to do a little bit of touch up. So I'm really looking forward to this now. I can't get there soon enough. We are at just over 2 hours now until we get there. All right, we are about 15 minutes out from Justin's, and thank God I sealed up the 250R because it rained for about an hour and a half. It actually just stopped raining. It's like sprinkling a little bit right now. I just got here less than 5 minutes ago, and Justin's already got this thing jacked up.
Oh yeah.
Do you have the cylinder?
Yeah, it's over there.
Where?
Over on the bench.
Where's the bench?
Oh, over here. Come on, man. You watch the videos.
I'm disoriented. It was easy to find the place, I'll tell you that much. As soon as I got on the, like I had no trouble turning in the right street.
There it is. I was working on this, but we got to go home and get the whatever.
Oh, dude, those ports match up almost perfectly.
Yeah, it's not very much. The only ones that are a mother are going to be these exhaust boost ports. Like, we're definitely going to need the tool that I bought. So you can see, like, Arlen told me what we need to do is, he said don't blend the top as much as you do the bottom, and it's probably going to run better. But you can see the exhaust boost port here, Mike. See how it's got, we got to slave that back quite a bit. That's the only one.
For sure, yeah.
These other ones are basically just like, it's a light touch.
We should, there's no doubt we can do this, though.
Yeah, no. We're home free. So here's the piston.
Yeah.
All right, compared to...
Oh, man. I was about to ask if you still had that. Yeah, well, and that's not even the worst of it. Put it in the middle. That's where it's real bad.
Well, it's real bad down here.
Like in the skirt area.
Yeah.
You can see, I mean.
Yeah, dude, look at the gap. So.
And they found a crack in it, too. I can see it.
Yep, see
I didn't even
cracks?
notice the crack. There's like a hairline. Oh, on both sides. Wow. Look at that. So everybody that was saying we were stupid for sleeving this.
Well, here's what would have happened, Mike. As soon as we stuck that back in there and you put this thing under load, it was going to tear up. Your ring gap is 14 thousandths, but I'll let you check it.
14 thousandths. So now we are better than what it was. From ESR, we were at 18 thousandths when it was new. So we got a tighter ring gap. 14 thousandths is good.
Yep, we have a 2,500 piston to wall clearance all the way down. The guy held the bore within 1/10 from the top to the bottom, so that means that we're better than it was because it was oblong. So we're only 1/10 of a thousandth of an inch from here. And like honing a two-stroke cylinder, that is extremely tolerance. Like I talked to Arlen today, and he said that tolerance is unbelievably perfect. The guy has the right equipment to do this. So he said you should be good.
I'm so glad that you talked to Arlen, because when I talked to Arlen, and before I told him who I sent, I still didn't know who I sent. I still
Yeah.
don't. he said, well, you might want to send it to a different guy. He was saying it to send it to somebody that knows what they're doing. And I was like, I think the guy does know what he's doing.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah, the guy knows what he's doing.
he just didn't, Arlen just didn't know who he was.
Yeah, yeah. And then when I talked to him today, I said, hey, I got a cylinder back. I said, I want to run these numbers by you. Does this sound good? And I said, you know, we're perfect. You know, we're 72 millimeter bore. We have 2.5 piston to wall clearance, which Wiseco said that's what it should be. He's like, yep, that's correct. And then he asked me, how round is it? And I said, we're within 1/10. He said, you can't ask for anything better than that. He said, it's perfect. He said, just match the ports to what's already there. Don't hog any more out. Don't get excited. Just match it, put it together, and run it. We should be good.
All right, guys, we are at Justin's. Breezy day here, and I've actually been here for like 2 days. Justin's over here getting the DT. What do you call it? The DT UAV?
Yeah, the DT UAV, dump truck urban assault vehicle ready.
So he's getting that fueled up. He's got his own fuel system here for his trucks. And this is the shop, man. We actually already got the 250R done. We were live the other day. And if you guys want to see that, Justin and I, we port matched the cylinder, not vapor blasted. We cleaned up the cylinder with the, what the hell's it called? The hydrostatic cleaner or whatever. Ultrasonic cleaner. Cleaned up really nice, this thing right here. Justin's got the tools though, man. It's a little bit messy right now because we've been messing around with stuff. We were ripping the quads around. So I'm gonna have a couple videos of both of these machines running. 250R is running great. But this place is awesome, man. Check this out. Oh, we just got done putting these haulers on these Gold Speed wheels. The Sandstars were on there. We just switched them out. Look at this. Oh shit. And you guys that follow Justin, you know that matches his personality perfectly, man. Got the Miller welder, got a shitload of Mountain Dew. Cannot go without Mountain Dew. All kinds of stuff. He's got a parts room back here, hardware. This shop's legit, man. And this is the JST office, man. This is where all the magic happens. Look at this tool chest. I know you technicians out there, you know what it is. This thing is legit. That's the King Daddy right there. This place is awesome, man. So much freedom out here. We were like shredding up and down the street on the quads. Nobody bothered us. Really, really nice. There's the road right there out front. You guys will see in that video, we got a good amount of footage really getting on those quads. And man, that 250R runs so much better than it did. I think the live stream was 3 hours and 12 minutes, something like that. And we did the whole freaking job. It's real time, nothing was cut out. Check this bad boy out, man. This is what we're taking to Oklahoma. We're getting ready to load it up now. We're gonna be meeting up with Blake and Reed from DBC Racing. Look at this. It's bigger in person too, because I watched Justin's videos and I knew it was big, but I didn't realize it was this big. I mean, this thing is really, really, you can put so much stuff in here. Got these cabinets. He's got his, we got a spare 250R motor in there, spare suspension, literally all these spare, a whole bunch of like OEM Honda parts, because this is a 250R meetup. Just all kinds of stuff in here, all these fluids and everything. Justin comes prepared, man. It's nice rolling with Justin. In here we got, let's see if I can move some of this stuff out of the way. Got all our riding gear and stuff is in here. Really, really convenient. This trailer is awesome. And you don't even have to crank this thing.
No, it's all electric, man.
There we go. This is the DT UAV. You guys probably saw this when we went out to Michigan. This thing is loaded, man. It's got like a full snap-on tool set in there. He's got the crane on top. All the fuel and everything is in here. There it is, man. All right, so we're gonna get to loading this thing up, and we're gonna be meeting the guys from BBC Racing this afternoon in Indiana. Blake and Reed. So they're gonna be riding with us, and we can probably fit 5 or 6 ATVs in the back, we think. So we're going with 5 quads. There's 4 of us, so we have 1 spare quad just in case we have, you know, somebody's motor blows up or whatever the case may be. We'll be ready for it. Justin wants me to check out this Hellcat. This is one of his employees. So this is Marquise's. I met him yesterday. Guy's pretty cool. Man, that thing is a fresh color. You guys know I like red. Hey Justin.
Yeah.
How annoying is it that you're doing all this work and I'm just walking around filming your ass?
Well, it really doesn't. I'm used to that. Okay? I'm used to doing all the work and getting none of the credit.
It's those union guys.
Yeah, it's got to be the union guys.
The quads are in. We're loaded up. We think we can get 3 more quads in here. Right, Justin?
Yeah, I think we can get 3.
Yeah, we were just saying if they don't fit, we can take like my quad and flip it over and stack it on this one. Blake from BBC Racing was saying that that's how they do it and it works out every time. But we do want to say Blake and Reed, we decided to leave a little bit early, so
You guys might want to quit your jobs and meet us in where we're supposed to be. Real quick, like driver.
if you want to make it out to Oklahoma with us.
If you want to go.
Yeah. Hey guys, so we're gonna get out of here and head out to Oklahoma. We're leaving in about an hour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this content. Definitely check out Justin at Justin Sturgill Trucking. He is also on Instagram at Justin Sturgill Trucking. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram as well at Michael Sabo 350. I love all you guys. There are going to be some riding videos coming really soon. And I'll see you guys at Little Sahara.